Hey guys, girl here, Tanisha Marie, and I am excited to show you guys about the Income Club, My Income Club. Now, this is a new system, but it's free, right? This is a actually new system that is free, and it is worldwide. So everyone in the entire world can actually join this for free, okay? Now, my sponsor, Freddie, which I love him. Me and him been making, tons of money online for the last 5 years. He's an internet marketing beast. He's taught me a lot of stuff that I know now as far as traffic, and he put it into this system, okay? So I love it because now you can get into this system and literally start going through the stuff for free, literally. So start getting some value for free. Now, the 4 incomes that is in My Income Club, one is My Econ, which is only in the U.S., which we focus on credit and financial education. Then it's Easy One Up, which is actually a worldwide program, okay, that shows you how to do marketing online, because Peter, he's like a multi-seven-figure earner and creating systems online. So all he's doing is just showing us step by step how to do it, okay? So you get into the free system. If you're not in the US, you can get into Easy One Up, and then we also have ClickFunnels and Aweber back there. So how this essentially works, guys, is that we promote My Income Club, okay? We only promote My Income Club, and by default, people join what they feel like it, or they join what their belief allows them to. So of course, if you are in America, you can join all programs. If you're not in America, you only can join 3 of them. But that still gives you 3 incomes, right, that you can actually leverage with just promoting this one free system. So when you go to jointanishamarie.com, right, you're going to opt in, and then you're going to put your email address in, and then once you are in, okay, it's going to say start here, okay? You start here, you get into the Facebook group, and you go to the next step. You fill out what you need to fill out right here, okay? If you are already in My Econ, okay? If you are already in My Econ, all right? All you do now is just put your My Econ user's name in the My Income Club, okay? That's all you do. It's a system step by step. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So you put your My Econ user's name there, you click on save. Now, if you're not in My Econ and you are in the US, you would just click on here to set up an account. My Econ is $50 once and $35 a month. $50 once and $35 a month. So you set that up, and you come back here, you put your user's name, and you click save, and then you move on to the next step. The next step now would be your Easy One Up, right? Now, of course, if you're an Easy One Up as well, you actually put your you put your user's name into this Easy One Up system, which is My Income Club. You put your information right here, right? And then you click on save. Then you go to the next one, okay? And it says, congratulations, you finished everything. Now you have funnels up here. You have your own funnels that you can actually promote, okay? You have trainings here, okay? Free training, okay, to show you how to market any business. Actually, it's not just for My Income Club, it's actually for any business. Say you're in Mary Kay, you're in Told Life Changes, you're in My Econ. And the biggest thing that I found with people online is that they struggle to get people into their business. They struggle to get people into their business. So with My Income Club, guys, again, this is a free system. So you should have no problem with getting people into a free system without any resistance. Okay? Without any resistance. So again, this is not a system where, I'm going to just post all over Facebook and Instagram and hopefully people join. Let me tell this girl that. So just tell people to join. No, we're going to show you exactly how to do this, guys. Here's the thing, right? People that want to be successful, you just follow the system, right? People that don't want to be successful, what they end up doing is reinventing the wheel. Okay? You cannot reinvent the wheel with a proven 7-figure system. Okay? Like I said, Freddie, he's the one that created this. Okay? He's a beast at marketing. He's made millions upon millions of dollars online. Peter is the system creator for Easy One Up. He's made millions and millions of dollars online. So all you have to do now is just come in, plug, and play, guys. Okay? This is not reinventing the wheel. You're going to do it this way. Your company told you to do it that way. Just follow. We have funnels already set up for you. Okay? These are the funnels that's already set up for you here. Okay? We also have the free traffic stuff right here. We also have the resources, the Facebook, the text messages that you can send out. It shows you your leads, okay? The different ways, of course, for you to get traffic. All goes right here. Buying solo ads, traffic for me, Udemy, okay? So all of it's right here, okay? Now, if you don't have an Easy One Up system, right, you can just go to join.TanishaMarie.com, right? Set up your system, all right? You're going to set up your account first. Then you'll be able to log in. All right, you set up your account first. Then you are able to log into the system. All right. Then it's going to ask you to pick which level you want to come in on. It's going to ask you which level you actually want to come in on. So again, you can come in on the 25. You can come in on the 50. You can come in on the 250. You can actually come in on the 500. The or the 1,000 again. So let me show you guys right now the different levels that you guys can actually come in on. Okay, here it is right here.
If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for a way to generate some extra cash flow from the comfort of your own home.
Right. All right. So $25 network marketing basics. Your $100, no 50, so it's only 25 and 100. Okay, so here it goes. Your $25 level, network marketing, pros and cons, how to generate leads, configure your response, all this stuff. All this is video. So this is a video marketing system, which is the Easy One Up through the My Income Club. Then it's the Elevation Elite. Okay, it has the product creation, solo ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, market research, Google Plus ads. Then you go to the 250, okay? Winning mindset, passion over profit. Here's the thing, guys. If you haven't invested at least $5,000 in yourself already anyway, guys, you're already behind, right? So this is the 250 level. This is the $500 level. And this is the $1,000 level. Snapchat, it has WhatsApp app, video series funnels, a lot of different traffic sources, Snapchat marketing for your business, social media domination, Reddit marketing, Instagram marketing, Facebook retargeting. Okay. Generating traffic techniques, Google Hangout marketing, Facebook ads are made easy. So I'm gonna go through some of this. Coaching authority, blog authority. I'm gonna go through some of this stuff because I came in on a $1,000 level. Again, guys, you pick which level your belief is. Okay, you pick the level that your belief is. Okay, I came in on a high level, right? Because I know what I can do within the internet. Again, come in on what you think your belief level is. But what I like about the Easy One Up is that it's 100% commission. You only pass up one sale. So if you came in at 1,000, right, and you got somebody else to come in on 1,000, you just made your money back. And if you get someone else to come in on 1,000, it passes up to your sponsor, and then every sale after that, you get 100% commission, right? So say you came on 100, you got someone that came in on 100, you make $100 right back, and the next 100 goes up, to your sponsor. Here's really how it works, guys, the whole compensation plan of this, right? If you come in on the highest levels, you get the other levels by default. So you'll get the 25, you'll get the 250, you'll get the 500, and you will get the 25. So instead of going from 25 to 100, because you got to keep upgrading, instead of going from 25 to 100, right, and then 250, and then, you know, 500, just come in at the 1,000 and just get everything, right? Just come at the 1,000 and you get every level, and then whatever level your people decide to come in on, you get all of those levels. They also have financing, you know, with this as well. You know, so this is a great way, guys, for people that say they don't have money and they want to come in on 1,000. They definitely need to position themselves with this. Okay, so this is a part of the My Income Club, guys. So this is it. My Income Club is going to be around. It's free, so no one can say, you know, oh, I don't have the money to get in. You can set your free account up. If you're in America, you can get into My Econ. If you're not in America, you can't get into My Econ. You still can do Easy One Up, and you can do ClickFunnels, and you can do Aweber. And by default, when you start to drive the traffic, people are going to join what they feel like it. Okay, so you want to be positioned so it doesn't matter if they want to come in at the 1,000, they want to come in at 25, they want to come in on ClickFunnels, they want to come in, you know, Aweber. You still get paid, right? And you only promoted one free system, guys. So it's time to level up. It's 2019. It's time to level up, guys. Let's start leveraging the internet for real, right? Let's really start leveraging the internet, leveraging these men that's made over 7 figures from home or, you know, from their cars, right? So again, guys, My Income Club, this is it. Okay, this is it, a free system. So set up your free account, go through the system, and get yourself involved and start promoting it so that you too can add an extra income stream into your household, guys. So go to jointanisha.marie.com. See you soon.